AccessNorthGA.com and the Chamber Business Channel, I'm Rebecca Cameron. For today's Business Spotlight, we're here with local dentist Dr. Norman Peets. Well, welcome, Dr. Peets. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, thank you for having me. I was raised in Albany, Georgia, and went to high school there, and then I went to college in Macon, Georgia at Mercer University, and then I went to dental school at Emory University. And so now I'm working in Gainesville and practicing dentistry here in Gainesville, so I'm sort of working my way up the state. I figure if I retire in Hiawassee, I would have covered the whole state.
Well, how did you decide to become a dentist?
My father's best friend was a dentist, and he was very influential in my life, and they were fishing buddies, and we always went fishing and stuff, and he got me interested in it, and the rest is history. You know, I decided to go. I liked what he was doing.
Very nice. So what services do you offer at your practice?
I concentrate more on advanced restorative dentistry, sedation dentistry, and cosmetic dentistry.
Okay, so say then if I have a cavity and I'm a little nervous, or if I have a lot of work that needs to be done and I don't really want to come back and forth to the dentist over and over again, could you help me out with that one?
I think we can help you out with that one. I'm a very nervous patient myself, which is why I got interested in sedation dentistry and got a certification in sedation dentistry, so that we can actually give you some oral sedation pills, relax you, and you won't even be aware that you had been at the dentist office. You won't be completely asleep, but you won't really be conscious enough to be scared.
That sounds like a plan for me then. So what do you think sets you apart then from dentists here in Gainesville?
Well, I think the main thing is the sedation dentistry, because most of our patients, we do all of their dentistry in one appointment, and that way they don't have to come back over and over and over, and we take care of all their needs while they're pretty much asleep.
Okay, so I hear you're doing some kind of special charity right now. Why don't you tell us all about that?
Well, one of the best things that we do in our office, and it's been one of the most rewarding things for me personally, in 2000 we got the idea that from March till June of every year we would do the Zoom in-office tooth bleaching, and we would charge a discounted rate for that and give all the money to children's charities. And since the year 2000 we have raised over $150,000 and been able to give that money to children's charity. We got noticed by Garth Brooks' charities, the country singer, and he took over the expenses of our charity, and so now he pays all the administrative expenses out of his pocket, and so everything we raise gets to go to the children's charities. I get to choose a local charity, and we've chosen Challenge Child here in Gainesville to get half the funds that we raise, and the rest goes to Garth Brooks' selection of charities.
That's fantastic. So everyone has to come and get their teeth whitened then over there at your office then?
Absolutely. Challenge Child is a fantastic organization, and it's something that we love doing for them, and they've been very receptive.
So do you have a website we can come see more information about this?
Yes, I do. Our website is extremesmilemakeovers.us, and on the website we have a link for the Smiles for Life charity. We have a link for the dental organization for conscious sedation, and also for all our services that we do.
Okay, so where here in Gainesville are you located?
We're down on historic Green Street, just right down, a couple of doors down from the Green Street Spa. Our hours are 8 to 5 Monday through Thursday, and our phone number is 770-532-2336.
Well, thank you very, very much for coming to be with us today and for sharing all the information on your charities that you're working with.
Thank you for having me.
For AccessNorthGA.com and the Chamber Business Channel, I'm Rebecca Cameron.